In the past month, herring gulls could be observed at the 6.5 Station Sanctuary and Audubon Sanctuary in southeastern New York. This species of gull primarily breeds in the northern regions of North America and winters in southern North America, but it can be found year-round along the East Coast and at the Great Lakes. In winter, herring gulls can be found near wetlands like this one, and can also feed in agricultural fields and near garbage. Like other gulls, they are omnivorous in their diets and feed on a diversity of food items such as fish, mollusks, arthropods, eggs, birds, garbage, and carrion. One of the adaptations they have to survive winter involves how blood circulates to their feet. The veins returning from their feet are arranged around arteries which are bringing blood to their feet. The cold veins coming from their cold feet while standing on ice absorb heat from the arteries so that the blood that reaches the feet from the arteries is now cooler and will thus lose less heat while the gulls are standing on ice. Their feet may approach freezing temperatures, but they are less sensitive to this given that they have less muscle in their feet than humans do. While it is easier to identify adult herring gulls with their white head and chest and bright red spot on the tips of their lower bills, it takes about 4 years for herring gulls to fully reach this adult plumage. Juveniles are more of a mottled brown in coloration, and as they mature, non-breeding adults have gray-brown streaks on their heads and necks, as you can observe here. If you observe gulls at 6.5 Station Sanctuary in winter, you are likely to see two different species, ring-billed gulls and herring gulls, and with a good pair of binoculars you can distinguish between them. Ring-billed gulls are smaller, with a black ring at the tip of their bills, both the upper and lower bill. They also possess yellowish legs, while herring gulls are larger, with a red spot at the tip of just their lower bill and pinkish legs. It is a bit harder to distinguish between them when juveniles are in the mix. Once again, for both species, there can be more grayish-brown spotting on the head and necks.